Here's a peek at what I'm working on today. Within the next 48 hours, I need to lay out a catalog. Now, thankfully, I've laid out catalogs for this thing for a few years now, so I have a template, except that our size has changed. So every year, the National Society for Photographic Education has a combined caucus exhibition. This is the catalog I designed last year. I have it open in Adobe InDesign. You see all the pages over here. So basically the catalog, we got like our inside cover, title page, your bio and statement, and then all of the work that's in the catalog. And towards the very end, we've got a artist directory, a thank you page, a page with like some details and stuff. There's me right there. And in here, I'm over here too. Thank you. Special thanks. Thank you. It's always weird. I mean, it needs to go in there, but it's always weird. It's like when I'm designing the stuff myself. And then the back, there's SPE's logo. And these are the different caucuses that are represented in this exhibition. So anyways, I am going to try, we're going to have this printed through SmartPress for the first time, which is why the size is having to change. So the catalog I did the year before last, we printed last minute at a Minuteman press, like saddle stitch. This one's going to be perfect now, which means it'd have a spine, look more professional, cost a little bit more, but just makes it, oh gosh, okay, so much mess. This is like a 5 3/4 square catalog. This is going to be 8 inches, so it will be just a little bit smaller than this. This is 8 1/4 by 8 1/4, this artist book by this person. So the bigger size will be nice. So I'm trying to lay the cover out real quick. In the past, I had used one big image. I do not have time to contact anyone to get a big image for the cover. And you know what? It works out because this is an exhibition of work by multiple people. So I think in the future that we will continue with this grid with some of the work. So I just went through the images and tried to pick the ones that best represent the theme of the conference, which is also the name that we're given to this catalog and the show, Adaptation, while also trying to find images that kind of visually work together. I would love to just keep poking at this because I'm still not happy with the visual balance down here. This one sticks out so much. This one's really long. I want them to extend over the edge, but I mean, I might try rearranging a few more things, but I need to move along. I need to move along because I've got to work on the inside. And so here I've started just roughly, basically like copying the content from last year's catalog into this one. Now, in the past, I had these left and right aligned on the pages just to, like I just wanted to, do cool designer stuff. But to simplify things for myself and just to make it easier, I'm just going to center the text under each of the images. That way I don't have to worry about changing the alignment and all that stuff. I do need to go change the size of this. But anyway, so I'm just roughing it out. So anyways, wish me luck, because I've got less than 48 hours. That I really need to get this done with everything that I have so that I can send it out for, like an initial an initial peek and proofread so I can wrap it up before the end of this coming week, preferably Wednesday or Thursday at the latest. Fingers crossed. All right, this is the little life of a graphic designer. Okay, check it out real quick. I just fixed it, at least good enough. I moved the smaller ones up top, and that feels more balanced. So there we go. All right, moving along.